Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to debate the TikTok ban with friends. So let's dive into a hot topic. The TikTok ban, it is a necessary for our safety or is it an overreach? Let's break down it. So the overall country national security concerns supporters argue that TikTok poses risk because it's owned by a Chinese company, ByteDance, and they fear data could be accessed by the Chinese government and potentially influencing American citizens and their political views. What do you think? So the argument on against TikTok is banned some countries. So on the flip side, many believe banning TikTok sets a dangerous precedents if we start banning apps based on our national security fear. So what's next? Any platform could be target depending on political agendas. So the next is another point is freedom of choice. Many users enjoy TikTok for its creativity and community. Should people decide for themselves what content they consume? Banning it might just push users to less regulate platforms like Facebook or Instagram, WhatsApp, and YouTube. Also, so the 40% of users use TikTok. So whether you're for or against the ban, there are complaining arguments on both sides. Let's keep this conversation going. And what do you think? Please comment below. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.